My name is Jeff Park. I'm from Mililani, Hawaii. I designed the new custom Bones folding knife, and this will be in production with CRKT very shortly. I work for Ken Onion. I've been in the shop for probably at least 10 years. I was in a knife shop and saw a picture of the owner of the knife shop with Ken Onion. So I looked him up in the phone book and gave him a call. He said, "Hey, come on out." I went out and visited him in his shop and basically never left. Ken Onion has been my mentor for many years, and he has been on me to make a knife for a long time. I sort of sat down and designed my own knife, which is called the Bones. Of course, Ken was involved with this, with the design. We sat at the computer like we normally do, and he said, "Hey, change this here and get rid of that and add this," and dialed it in. This is what we came up with. This is my custom Bones folder. The handle shape is quite similar to a dog bone, which is where it gets its name. This is a thin profile knife. The handle design features some fluting along the edges for extra grippiness. This also makes the knife look much thinner. This knife is a flipper. You have a tab right in the back here. Push it and it'll flip right open. One thing that I want to go for here with this sweep in the back of the handle is if you're holding the knife like this and maybe doing some detailed cutting, while you're pushing down in the front of the blade, it pushes this up into the back of your hand, which sort of locks the knife into your hand. This is a nice skinny blade. It's a modified semi-tanto shape with a full flat grind. The Bones has a liner lock. It's inset into the handle, and to release this, you would just with your thumb push this out of the way and close the blade. The back strap features machine jimping for grippiness. It also has a cutout in the back strap for a lanyard. We've also got a deep carry pocket clip. When you put it in your pocket, the knife pretty much disappears. This knife I feel is a pretty perfect everyday carry size. Cuts meat real well, opens mail, and heck, what else do you do with your knife? I'm Jeff Park. This is my first custom knife, the Bones. We will be making a production model with CRKT.
The Morphing Karambit represents a complete rethinking of the folding pocket knife. It's a response to some very important questions. How can you deploy a pocket knife blade while your fingers are securely wrapped around the handle? Do your fingers have to cross the rotational path of a blade? How do you discreetly secure a Karambit-style pocket knife without the inconveniences of a traditional pocket clip? The Morphing Karambit has just 5 principal parts plus fasteners. It's compact and rugged, with unprecedented functionality in its category.